Hi everyone, I am Raymond Pergues, and in this video we'll explore one of the most important grammar lessons in English, which is the verb tenses. So verb tenses tell us when something happens in the past, present, or future. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify and use the three main verb tenses correctly. So what is a verb tense? So a verb tense is a way of showing time in English sentences. So it tells us when an action happens, whether it's something we already did, something we're doing now, or something we will do later. So there are three main tenses in English. And these are the past tense, what happened before, present tense, what is happening now, and the future tense, what will happen later. So let's start to talk about the present tense. So present tense is, we use present tense to describe the action that's happening right now or things we do repeatedly. So for example is, I eat breakfast every morning. So another one example is, she studies English every day. So notice how the verbs eat and studies show actions that are true in the present or happen repeatedly. So now let's talk about the past tense. So we use the past tense to talk about actions that already happened. For example is, I watched a movie yesterday. They played football last weekend. So you often see ed endings in regular past tense verbs like watch and played. So this shows that the action is finished and belongs to the past. So next we have the future tense. So this tense talks about action that will happen later, not yet, but soon. So we form the future tense by adding the word will before the verb. So for example, I will visit my grandparents tomorrow. So, and another example is, she will take an exam next week. So, the word will show that the action hasn't happened yet. It's something that's going to happen in the future. So, let's review what we learned. So, the past tense is already happened. The present tense is happening now, while the future tense is will happen later or tomorrow, something like that. So that's all. Thank you.